You know, a lot of people ask me about fertilizing blackberries in these containers, and I've showed you in the past, but I'll show you again real quickly. I put about a tablespoon and a half of fertilizer. In this case, it's triple 13, but it could be, I really would rather have 10, 20, 10. I like it middle number, especially when they start blooming. You want that middle number to get a good bloom production, but it doesn't matter. A good balanced fertilizer. This is, again, this is triple 13. I've got a hori here. That's about a tablespoon and a half, probably, something like that. Just kind of load up the hori, and I'll do it in about 4 places, like 12, 6, 3, 9, something like that. And I'll put it in there, and then I'll kind of cut it in on top, cut it in. Then I'll come around to this side, put it on top, cut it in, and put it on the outside of the, you know, real close to the edge of this container, because most of the roots, the mother plant and most of the roots are in the middle of the container. Anyway, I'll do that for all 10 of them, and then I'll show you what I do from there.
Got berries in buckets lined up like trucks, rusty old tubs full of dreams and mud. Neighbor shakes his head, says, boy, you gone nuts. I tip my hat, say, watch this stuff. I'm feeding the tubs 13, 13, 13 love. A little shake, a little sprinkle, like a blessing from above. Oh yeah, if these berries don't grow, it sure ain't for lack of grub. 'Cause I treat my plants better than my ex and my pickup truck. I talk to the soil like it's kinfolk now. Say, drink that dinner and make daddy proud. If the law rolls by and asks what I'm cooking up, I'll say it's just dessert for the outlaws in the tubs. I'm feeding the tubs 13, 13, 13 love. Little shake, little sprinkle, like a blessing from above. Oh yeah, if these berries don't grow, y'all can haul me off in cups for giving 5-star meals to a bunch of plastic tubs.
Okay, so they are fertilized now, and now I want to melt that fertilizer. And I'll let these get a little dry. We are dry right now. And I let these get just a little dry. I watered them yesterday till it came out of the weep hole. So I'll water it now. You know, pretty good. I want to especially concentrate on 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and get that fertilizer melted, starting to melt and decompose and do its thing. And again, I've already got some blooms and stuff here, And so I'm a little late. Should have done this before the blooms came, but the 13, the nitrogen, the 13, 13, 13, the first number, the nitrogen, is going to give it some good, a good boost for the new canes, and it'll have new canes coming up pretty doggone soon. If not, if they hadn't already. I think I see one over there that's already started. So anyway, give them a good water, and I'll just go down the row and water them all in real good. Anyway, watered in good with a gentle spray like that. Somebody commented the other day, wanted to know how to fertilize and how often. Okay, so how often? Let me deal with that. I think you could do this if you're doing organic. You could do this. Shoot, you could do this once every 2 weeks or something. With synthetic, like I did, once every 2 months. If it's in the middle of the summer and they stop blooming because it's just blame hot, then maybe not fertilize so heavy then, or maybe not fertilize as often then. So, but you could do once every month probably. You might want to cut back a little bit. Your first dose may be what I just put in, and then after that maybe half a tablespoon, 4 places around there, and just do that for all your containers. But you could do that once a month. But you could do organic fertilizer more and more often, because it's just not hot. It's just not. It's not going to give the. There's no danger of it burning the plants typically. Or that water soluble, if you want to try that, boy, it does just a quick. You talk about a quick burst of energy and everything. That water soluble, that 20-20-20 water soluble, is the only one I use. Is from Haas, and it will absolutely give them a kick in the pants. I just wish I had some right now, or that's what I would have shown you. And I would do about the same, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons in there, water it in. It's blue, you'll see the blue all over the top of it, and just water that till you don't see blue anymore. And that's a great way to do it. I'll link to the 20-20, or I'll link to Haas Tools, Grow Haas, and you can look and see if you want to look at that 20-20 or something like that. But anyway, I think that's it. Fertilize your blackberries. This is springtime in the South. It's springtime and they need it. So give them what they need, and they will thank you for it, and they will reward you for it. I promise. All right, I think that's it. We're gone.